Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I am back today with just a short Amazon haul, and then I picked something up from Scrapbookcom, but it was free, so that's always good. This I actually got free from Amazon because I had a gift card, and this is just a crossbody bag. It is corduroy, has pockets on both sides, and short straps, short handles, and a long strap. I just got it to wear as a crossbody when we go certain places. I need one that's just a little bigger, like we're going to a concert later this week, and then I can just put this on across my body and not have to worry about setting my purse down. So I got this khaki colored, and just like before, everything that I'm showing you will be linked down below in the description. So I will link this. It wasn't very expensive, but it's a perfect size. You know, I can stick my planner in it, my wallet, just the things that I need, my medications, that kind of stuff. So I will link this down below. I think it was $16, so not very expensive. And then I picked up, as we're doing spring cleaning, I was looking at our leather recliners, and I was wondering, should I just wipe them down? And then I thought about it, and I thought, no, I should get some leather cleaner. And so I ordered this online on Amazon, and I think it was just a little over $3. It's Heiman Leather Conditioning Wipes, 3-in-1, cleans, conditions, and protects. So I thought I could use it both in my car and on our recliners. So I picked that up, and you get 30 wipes in there. And then I picked this up. This is made by eCloth. If you haven't heard of eCloth, they are like cleaning cloths on, and they're the best cleaning cloths. This is just a glasses cloth that you clean your, you just clean your glasses with it, just as a dry cloth, and it removes bacteria and all the gunk off your glasses, and you can add water to it as well. You don't want to. Okay, it says stubborn marks can be cleaned with a damp corner before cleaning with the dry section, and then just rinse it out. If you wash it, you wash it on hot with a small amount of detergent, no bleach, no fabric softener, no dryer sheets, just hang it up to dry. And if you do accidentally use fabric softener or dryer sheets, rewash it with a little detergent. So, I haven't even looked at this. I know we've all struggled with cleaning the glasses, but it's just like a microfiber, but theirs is just a little different. So it's very silky. It's not microfiber, but I have eCloth. Like, I got eCloth. I have a sponge that never sours from eCloth, and I also I got my dishcloths from eCloth on Amazon. I'll link all of the eCloth products that I've gotten down below in the description because they are excellent. So I picked that up, and this was just a couple dollars. And then this I purchased, probably 2 weeks ago. It's a women's probiotic for feminine and immune health. And it's made by Nature Target. I'll link it down below. You get 90 tablets. You take 2 tablets a day, and it's just a probiotic. But when you get products from Amazon, one thing that I do is you always want to look at the little cards, or when you open your package. This one says surprise for you. It says get a free one, and it gives you an email address and a website to go on. And all I did was go on it, fill out their form, and kind of give my opinion about the probiotic, and then they sent me a free bottle of the probiotic, the exact same thing that I'd bought. But that's one way that I get a lot of products for free from Amazon, and so that's what I did. On the top of there, they just have, and I've done that. I've probably, you know, if you buy a product that you don't normally buy and you're willing to give a review, you can contact the company and tell them, you know, I'd be happy to give you a review. do you have anything else that you would like me to review? They might send you a product, but that's what that is. So I will link that down below. And then Scrapbookcom this week they always have little free things that you get, and they usually, if you order, you get the free item. But if you also see a free item in your email or on your text messages, if you just want the free item, you can say, I just want the free item. And a lot of times it's dyes or, you know, just different things. This was just alphas. All you have to do is pay the shipping. So whatever the free item is, you can say, you know, put that in your cart. It will cost you $0. You just pay the shipping. So I picked up these alphas just because they were giving them away, and just paid the shipping on that. So that is Scrapbookcom. I will link the rest of this and the purse down below in the description. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.